So here we are at a beautiful Summit Point Shenandoah circuit. Ran into a couple of my M2 friends here and they were wondering, how do you manage to bring 4 sets of tires and other equipment with you to the track? So I have prepared a quick video here how to put 4 tires, and these are 19-inch 255 35s and 2 are 275 35 that fit in on the rear seat. Now my rear seat bench and the seat backs are removed, and without them I think it might be a bit of a tighter squeeze, but I think still possible. On top of that, I have 2 5-gallon gasoline jugs that I bring with me. When you move the seat all the way forward, you're able to lock this in place. I have my helmet and other stuff there, and then I have 2 boxes here. One box I have hardware in, oil, brake bleeder, other useful things for the track, and then in this one I have my clothes and other stuff that I don't want to get dirty, and that fits nicely right in the back of the trunk. I think that's a 20-gallon container on the left, and I think the one on the right is 16 gallons, if I recall correctly. If you're gonna change wheels, you're gonna need a floor jack, which I have. I have the 1.5 ton racing floor jack from the Pittsburgh brand, and I have 2 jack stands so that I can, fully complete a tire swap on the car if I need to. So it took me about 5 minutes to load everything up. It is a bit of a tight squeeze, and I'm waiting for wheel bags, top bags, tote bags that are gonna make this loading and unloading a little bit easier, and it's gonna keep everything clean. So let me know if you have any questions. I'd be happy to answer those